So let's get started. First of all, I'm gonna use a doll as a guide and some white. Doesn't matter what you have. Yeah, this is good because it's stretchy. If you don't have stretchy one, you have to use something like Velcros and buttons to put on the back. But this is stretchy, so I didn't need to put anything. So I'm gonna cut something like this piece. Okay, and this one goes like this for a doll, so it's like not long. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna turn this back so your good side is facing up, and I'm gonna see it right there. And here how it looks like, and you can cut the extra pieces off. Okay. Okay, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna turn this over, and here how it looks like. Fits to my doll perfectly. I'm gonna use something like this, which is like really thin and you can see. But if you don't have something like this, you don't really have to use this. You can use anything you have. So I'm gonna cut some piece that goes around part in the bottom part. So always do a little extra. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut this much long because we are going to make little designs on there. So I'm just gonna cut like double times of that. So this is like lots bigger than this. And take my top part and fold it back on. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna sieve this. And when you're sewing it, you can do like little this when you're sewing it to make little pretty. So I'm gonna do that. This is how it looks like, and it's really pretty right now, but it's gonna be more even prettier. So now I got two of this type of pieces, and this is a seam cloth like this, and what I really wanted to use this for is something like this. Kind of goes background like this, but before I do that, I'm gonna stack the in the same place, so like this, and I'm gonna make like something that goes from top and kind of rounds up to the bottom. I did it with marker so you can see nicely. Well, yeah, it looks like this. And I'm gonna cut that piece off. Now I'm gonna put those right here, and it goes something like this. And I'm gonna sew that. This is a little hard process, but yeah, it goes something like this. Okay, how I did this is I'm gonna take this piece and fold that back and just sew it like a little piece, and just flip it over and you have something like that. To make this flower, I used some circles, and I fold that in half and I roll that around and press it and just sew right there. And I put some beads on there, and I'm gonna put this right on the middle. Okay, and here I added, and it looks so pretty. And yeah, and you're done. I'm gonna use a cotton thing, which I use to make a skirt, and a smallest elastic you have. And I'm going to squeeze the parts like this, I'm going to take this elastic and I'm going to make it right here so this elastic doesn't go off. I'm going to tie that elastic on my doll's head. Here, whatever. I'm going to use something to cover this part. You can use this to cover it, or something like this, which I made out of bead, because it's like tied on there. And add some more decoration to make more even pretty, and you're done.